Hey guys, my name is Abraham and thank you for taking the time to watch my project video. So my background is in retail business management, and I've also branched and tried different fields such as commercial and residential electrical with a focus in LED technology, graphic design, and security surveillance systems. I wanted to transition to software because since the world is technology driven, I want to solve those real world problems and be an impact in the future of tech. So without further ado, let's jump right into my project. So the app finds all the halal restaurants in a searched city. It pulls the data from a user submitted verified database. And to be brief, halal is the Arabic word for permissible. So for a restaurant to be permissible, the method of slaughter of the animal has to be done by the cutting of the jugular vein, not being electrocuted or shot to death. So on initial render, we have the default populated city of Cary, North Carolina, and we have a map view and a list view. So on click of a marker, a component in the bottom renders with that restaurant's info, and each box has an action associated with it. So on click of this icon will take us to the company's or restaurant's website. On click of this icon will default to whatever navigation system that they're using, whether it's Google Maps or Apple Maps, of course on a mobile device, and this will enable us to call the company. And this order now button will default to whatever order now service that they have, whether it's Uber Eats, DoorDash, Slice, or whatever it is. The list view is the same except with only 5 results at a time, with pagination enabled for the rest of the data associated with that city. So you click number 1, number 2, and then you click on a restaurant to populate with that restaurant's information on the bottom. And all the actions are still clickable down here. And so we could also add a restaurant, and it's preferred that the restaurant be added by the owner or manager themselves of the restaurant to prevent discrepancies in the restaurant information. So as the app progresses, the goal is to have a verification process done by us, which when a restaurant is added, it is verified before it's submitted to the official public database. But at the moment, since I'm adding and verifying everything myself, I'm just going to go ahead and add it. So we can go down here, add a restaurant name. I already have some pre-filled data. It shows a location in Los Angeles, California. They're based out of New York. Halal guys. That was their first start. The website URL is the website of the restaurant. The order URL is the order now service that they will have. The image URL is just the default image URL, avatar URL that they want displayed on our list view. And we have a description right here, and if we submit it, it should now be submitted to the database. So if we search for that city, which is Los Angeles, search, it'll give us the restaurant info that we just added, and all the functionality once again should still be working, whether it's the website or anything else. We also have some pre-populated cities such as Seattle, Washington, that we've already added beforehand. Actually it's supposed to be Seattle, Washington, WA search, and it'll give us all the restaurants in that area. So for this app, I utilized MERN-Stack with Bootstrap and Material UI for styling. And the goal for the future is to incorporate Google API services to cross-reference and populate all cities. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a great day.